Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the difference between Smartsheet licenses and free users. I know that a lot of people are interested in using Smartsheet, but they're not sure which plan is right for them. So, I wanted to take some time to break down the differences between the two so that you can make an informed decision. What is Smartsheet? Before we get into the differences between Smartsheet licenses and free users, let's take a quick look at what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based collaboration platform that helps teams manage their work. It's a great tool for project management, task management, and workflow automation. Smartsheet licenses. There are 3 different Smartsheet licenses. Professional. The professional license is the most popular plan. It includes all of the basic features of Smartsheet, as well as access to advanced features like reporting and automation. Enterprise. The enterprise license is designed for large organizations. It includes all of the features of the professional license, as well as additional features like custom branding and single sign-on. Team. The team license is for small teams. It includes all of the basic features of Smartsheet, but it has a limited number of users and storage. Smartsheet free user. The Smartsheet free user plan is a great way to get started with Smartsheet. It includes access to all of the basic features of Smartsheet, but it has some limitations. Here are the key differences between Smartsheet licenses and free users. Number of users. Smartsheet licenses allow you to have an unlimited number of users. Free users are limited to 3 users. Storage. Smartsheet licenses include unlimited storage. Free users are limited to 5 GB of storage. Advanced features. Smartsheet licenses include access to advanced features like reporting and automation. Free users do not have access to these features. Custom branding. Smartsheet enterprise licenses include custom branding. Free users cannot customize their Smartsheet experience. Single sign-on. Smartsheet enterprise licenses include single sign-on. Free users cannot use single sign-on. Which Smartsheet license is right for you? The best Smartsheet license for you will depend on your needs. If you're just starting out with Smartsheet, the free user plan is a great option. However, if you need more users, storage, or advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Here are some things to consider when choosing a Smartsheet license. How many users will be using Smartsheet? How much storage do you need? What advanced features do you need? Do you need custom branding or single sign-on? I hope this blog post has helped you understand the difference between Smartsheet licenses and free users. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, I encourage you to check out my other videos on the topic. I also have a course on Smartsheet that you can take. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you next time.